Hi, it's Marieta. Thanks for tuning in today's video. I want to give you guys update when it comes to US embassies and the routine visa services. So stick around, coming up. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification button, and let's get started. So I have great news for you. Recently, there was an announcement, actually it was on November 12, 2020, that the US embassies will resume routine visa services. So these are great news, right? Because we were all waiting for this announcement. However, because each country is different, conditions in each country are different, it's difficult to estimate when these US embassy will go to pre-pandemic services. So as of now, the announcement is talking about the resumption of routine visa services. They will prioritize the US citizens, the family members of US citizens, then residents, and also issuance of student visa, M1 visa, some J1 visas. Now, when it comes to the other visa services, such as H1, H2, L visas, these are still going to be restricted because of the recent presidential proclamations. Unless you are exemption, then you cannot obtain this visa stamp in your passport. But for example, if you are an investor, E2 visa, and you would qualify obviously to apply for E2 investor visa stamp, you certainly can do that. Now, because each country is different, the workload is different, wait times are different, it's difficult to estimate when can you actually book your appointment. Now, I want to mention that they are announcing, they do talk about the fee. If you pay your fee within a year of your appointment, you are good to go. And if it's over a year, then they are trying to accommodate as many people as possible, and they actually extended the validity of the fees that you already paid until December 31st, 2021. So these are great news. If you already paid your fee, you don't have to pay it again. It's being extended till end of December 2021. Okay, so these are great news. The next thing I want to say, they are offering emergency appointments, right? So if you qualify for emergency, if you don't know how to apply, I'm going to be linking the video here for you, how you apply for emergency appointment. If you want to apply for business visa, investor visa, you're good to go. However, note that there is going to be, like I said, heavy workload, and many people are actually waiting for their appointment. So it's difficult to estimate the time, specific time for you when you will be able to get your scheduled appointment and visit the US embassy and obtain your visa. Now, just because they are resuming to the routine visa services, that doesn't necessarily mean that everything goes back to normal, like pre-pandemic. Like I said, all the proclamations, the travel bans, specifically from countries that are in Schengen zone, European Union countries. If you visited one of these countries, if you are from these countries, you cannot travel to US as of now because of the travel ban, right? However, if you, for example, need to get E2 investor visa or any other visa that are not within the proclamation, which would be the H1, L visa and so on, then you can go and apply for this visa. But if you are a tourist who is planning to visit the United States and you are from those countries that are banned to enter, the countries that are under the travel ban, you cannot, even though these routine visa services will resume or they are about to resume, right? So keep that in mind. Many of these proclamations are still valid till end of the year, and I will link videos here for you if you need to revisit and understand what are these proclamations and who is affected by these proclamations. Some of these proclamations will end December 31st, 2020, right? Especially that's the proclamation concerning H1 visas, L and so on, but we don't know if it's going to be extended. We'll see, okay? When it comes to the travel bans, they are still in place. Obviously the Muslim ban is in place. I made a video recently where I did talk about the Biden's immigration plan, so you guys can check it out, what's the future gonna look like. But other than that, these are great news because slowly the US embassies will start resuming the routine visa services, not just the limited visa services. As you know, they suspended the routine visa services in March 2020 due to pandemic, and in July they announced that they were actually beginning resumption of routine visa services. But despite that announcement, these embassies are affected by the COVID-19 and pandemic, and therefore it's difficult to say and estimate when your particular US embassy will resume the standard typical visa services. So I highly recommend that you guys actually contact your embassy if you need to. You should be able to find some email or number to call and check their website, read the instructions, because every embassy is different. Other than that, I hope you guys are doing well. Make sure to check out my recent videos that I did about the future of immigration in the United States. If you have any question, comments, make sure to leave them below. And also, if you need to book a consultation, link is going to be below this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you soon.